I'm going to show you a new way for you to start a fire alarm company, even if you have no technical background or any fire alarm experience. The fire alarm business blueprint is broken down into 3 stages, 9 phases, and 27 action steps you can take to start, grow, and operate your fire alarm company. Inside of the foundation phase, we have the structure selector, the license navigator, and the insurance strategist. And the second stage is the growth stage. There we have the market monster, the vendor guide, and the certification accelerator. And lastly is the expansion stage. There we have the contract navigator, the brand architect, and the funding tool. All of these modules are necessary in order for you to successfully operate a fire alarm company. So some of the work that we've done between federal, city, and state is MDC, that is the Manhattan Detention Center down in Brooklyn. We fixed about 32 troubles on their fire alarm system. Next after that is Delaware Valley Job Corps. This is a job corps center where we've repaired a 7-node fire alarm system, reprogrammed it to change out over 500 smoke detectors. And lastly is working with the Metropolitan Transportation Authority. They're upgrading or building brand new train stations, and we got hired to supply the fire alarm system. So these are just 3 government projects that we got are well over 6 figures just by installing fire alarm and security systems. My name is Anthony Richardson. I am the owner of Secured Securities Corp. We are a fire alarm and security company, and we've been in business for the past 10 years installing and maintaining fire alarm and security systems throughout the government, private, and also commercial sectors. We've made over $5 million installing, servicing these systems. So I'm here trying to show you that it's very possible that if you put your mind together, you can actually form a business that's profitable so you can take care of you and your family. So here are 3 common struggles most entrepreneurs have when forming their business. 1, they're thinking they need a large amount of capital. You really don't need a lot of money to get your name out there, to get yourself in front of people. All you have to do is learn how to find that audience that you need that's going to provide the income you need to sustain your business. And the second thing, if you don't have any technical background or if you don't have any fire alarm experience, it may discourage you from getting your fire alarm license. Inside of the license navigator will give you all the tools necessary for you to actually pass your fire alarm license, even if you don't even know what a fire alarm system is. And the third one is securing clients and building reputation. It was difficult for me to market my business to actually get a clear message out there so I could find my audience. I had to create an avatar and speak to that one avatar in order for me to find my audience. I want to step back and take a look at the fire alarm business blueprint. I will leave a link in the description so that way you can download this, so that way you can know what steps you need to take in order to start your fire alarm company. Now, the fire alarm business blueprint is the clearest, most predictable system for anyone who is serious about starting their own fire alarm company with no experience in 90 days. So if you're ready to get crystal clear on the next steps that you should be taking, click the link in my description, book a call, and in 30 minutes, we'll find out exactly where you are, how we can help you, and see if you're a right fit for the fire alarm business blueprint.